Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up Google Authenticator on your Bybit account. After logging in, click in your profile icon at the top right, then go to Account and Security from the drop down. Here's the security. After that, scroll down and look for Google two-factor authentication in the middle of the page. Here it is. Click on it. Then Bybit will now send a verification code to your email. Enter the code you receive to continue. Next, you will see a 16-digit code here. Copy the key. You will use this to set up your Google Authenticator. Open the Google Authenticator app here. Tap on plus icon. Enter the setup key. Account name Bybit and paste that 16-digit key. Then a 6-digit code will appear here. After that, now go back to Bybit. Click next and paste the 6-digit code from your Authenticator app and confirm. If it shows an error, click get code, repeat the step and it should work. And that's it. Google Authenticator is now successfully set up on your Bybit account. Be sure to like and subscribe for more crypto how-to videos.